Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make drumstick poriyal. Drumstick is a unique vegetable, thinny and long. Everybody likes drumstick. We can make variety of dishes out of drumstick. So let's go into the video how to make drumstick poriyal. I have taken 3 long drumstick, washed and chopped, 5 cm long. Half coconut, skin peeled, chilli powder, fennel seeds. If you have a big onion, take 1, or otherwise it is small, take 2. 2 tomatoes, curry leaf, asafoetida, salt. So now let us prepare coconut milk. Take a mixie jar, add these coconuts, add little water, grind it nicely. Again pour 100 ml to 200 ml of water according to your need. Grind it nicely. Now filter this mixture using the sieve. So you can get a nice fresh whitey coconut milk. Now the coconut milk is ready. Adding coconut milk is optional only. If you don't want to add coconut milk, you can use just water. But if you add coconut milk, it gives rich taste to drumstick poriyal. So in a flat kadai, add all the drumsticks, pour the coconut milk till it gets immersed. Let it cook for at least 10 minutes in sim. Add salt. Close with the lid. Don't overcook the drumstick, otherwise when you make poriyal, it may become soggy, messy and break. See, now the drumstick is semi-cooked. Now pour 5 to 6 tablespoons in another kadai, grease it, add fennel seeds, add asafoetida, add chopped onions, sort it well, then add chopped tomatoes, mix it well. Add curry leaf, add salt. So now add chilli powder, mix it well. Now add the excess cooked drumstick water, mix it well. Then immediately you can add all the drumstick, sort it well with whether drumstick doesn't break. Close it with lid at least for 15 to 20 minutes. Drumstick absorbs all water, masalas. See, now the yummy lunch drumstick curry is ready.